Abusia, Mahama Ayariga, NDC majority leader in parliament. I see NDC and promise teacher for our school muse. Our licensure exam so no omubetwem.
NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams.
Now 2024 Abraham Mahama abontwa eye campaign si ento abama na be president. E den ankasa ana o ka fa licensure exams no.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
Mr. President, but I'm also like video no subscribe to the channel. What notifications and be next time. Videos of this nature about so bit my Kevin. Mr. President, also boy studio sound, internet, light, BB up to the sponsor be whatever may here to reach out through number never see when I Sabeka in investment. You better was pass. Now, I saw my pine and said, on resigning. Cause Ghana for say we are not dump, sir. You are doing the form to end this for. So you almost say you are doing form and they lie bad. They lie bad. Ghana for a specific concern. I'm going to video.
Abusia, Mahama Ayariga, NDC majority leader in parliament. I see NDC and promise teacher for our school muse. Our licensure exam so no omubetwem.
NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams.
Now 2024 Abraham Mahama abontwa eye campaign si ento abama na be president. E den ankasa ana o ka fa licensure exams no.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
NDC party no sebi enyen kwasiafo nko an party o enyen kwasiafo nko an na join ni NDC o enyen kwasiafo 6 million nko an na to abama NDC party ni ya abonsamfo party ope party a omfa Ghana fo nya hwe omu ni anidie ema Ghana fo party a omu 15 penny so ebesi nkola so entro enada omu didi omudwuma ope party a propaganda say yen chantro yenda dan crofon fanji to me oma kwadiri mu a omudidi omudwuma na ye NDC se woni NDC ni egoro emfa ho se ebo a wo hye wo obe record no watwe egu phone so na ode egu internet so emfa ho se mo be sensan krata emfa ho se mo be sensan krata wo be hye wo bo na duru se won fulfill bo na oba be catch say wan kasa if it's a silence exams we as far back as 2020 elections ana NDC for sha say one more shebo omo se teacher for mo school bo esen we to abama omo be cancel licensure exams. And I'm going to give you evidence aside video na mahwe of Mahama ono shebo or launching the campaign or kasi su pain said a teacher licensure exams no omubetwem. NDC proud to 2024 elections no omo launch two important documents. For the first time NDC for launch youth manifesto. Now youth manifesto now omo launch here no under education. They had litany of promises omo promising Ghana mebu na gomu school na meba be kind part a licensure exams no ho e de achew over NDC omo youth manifesto no na ukomu a asefem enkrofo we criminal so NDC debia meka say NDC is a criminal organization over NDC omo youth manifesto na ko page 7 where you simple na share point J point J muntie ni you say we will cancel the obnoxious licensure exams for teacher training graduates. I say we will cancel the obnoxious teacher training licensure exams for a teacher training graduates. They a plain almost kind of plain woman youth manifesto. What they are not on China, and this on mother manifesto, no main manifesto, no more lunch ya Mahama kwa said the 24-hour clock call any other. And also with the shame of form manifesto. No. Now we call page 99. Mother manifesto no page 99. Now we share paragraph 5.1.5.5. Paragraph 5.1.5.5. And if you have say teacher professional development, licensure and welfare. Almost say the next NDC government will place teachers at the heart of its educational reforms. We will prioritize enhanced conditions of service, professional development, and teacher welfare through the following initiatives. Point one, we tell you all say. We will abolish the teacher licensure examination and integrate the licensing processes into the final year examination of trainees. That's the same way. Mahama can say, exams na and kwalane tro work school de dan. Omo be makwan bia a womo tro exams no enough. Enough to prepare them to go and teach in the field in the hunya and tis high exams na womo tro na omo be fa ne say and no an a year omo licensure exam. That is basically what he said. And they are telling us say omo and share boss omo be strap licensure exams no. Oma and Shebo say there wouldn't be any system that will require a young koda or colleges of education to pay licensure exams fee and sit for exams yalebuno licensure. Almost all man kasa. And could you believe he says our licensure exams in a crown? I feel NDC for buy womato so. Omato fees, licensure exams. Hey, me say NDC. But teacher for no using important you kind. Yeah, advice your man woman tea, Jenzizi no, o cash it moment team. And this year party I dom, and this year party I GD. These people are a bunch of liars, criminals, and this year criminal organization. They will say anything, they will do anything just to win political power. But when you 2 minutes, I want no more better say. Jimmy.
Majority leaders are become different.
Mahama Ayariga and shed any credibility, mommy. People may disagree.
But you're making a serious statement.
Yes, but I'm saying that you see, where to me friend Diagro, you lied. Mahama Ayariga lied
About what?
that it has only left with the assent of the president. Not LGBT issue, no. And that's okay. He lied. When we were arguing, say, and Tisano, then NDC supporters were insulting and attacking us. But we were exposing, saying, no. What I know was say, LGBT bill, no, it died with that parliament.
Oh, so the information he passed was not too accurate.
No,
he lied.
No, he lied. At the end was say, he stated emphatically. So me catch will say, Ochina, me wo information say, President Mahama beba. Abe grace occasion no. Na obeba dia ka ne flight, but anopani ba besiano. So obitia obeje di why because nana janto
Baba train no cry.
we a government business leader. Enti whatever you say no enti say obi a oye backbencher. You are saying say oh ade no cry mo ha mo ho no ye de akwakoto nanim aka so be sign that time no atu kwan. O refi say me kan sa asem no say enti sa. But then this guy there be why and one aka no
and president Bekasa
president and president Bekasa. I clarify there. You have lied. You needed to apologize. Well, apologize. It's not funny. The reason why I'm
and now Sika involved in this scandal 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher more some of my this useless NDC government a more 11 million Ghana cedis now quacking for Fubutum na asefim. Na Kwanya Sika Efa suko di nkrofo bubotom through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba ben man, omo be create no more loot, no more share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tran dem no more cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo use ya 11 million Ghana cedis. akwa akodi nkrofo bobetom na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we oma di Ghana for dream we Sami Jenfi oye gold board CEO ana ne otoso mienu Stan Logbe currently oye deputy chief of staff ono anso na ye owner of Wezo Group Company sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a yefe no Koreka Ghana Limited ana omo di Ghana for dwurem we na ye hye nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase ba bia efri ene ba bia akwa koduro na kai se me se epanya sa dream yi efa so ba e conflict of interest and create loot and share and cronyism. Now, Mobekaya, Nanado Danko Kufuado, Abmine, is a very big edifice at the Bank of Ghana. So I dine for Fefene won't cry. I might cry for a ham. In December 2024, and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building, and course I new building. Now, NDC bar power. How more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi, yes, almost be free. Omo old building ni akọ Bank of Ghana omo old building na omo free mu no na muntie ni ha na create loot and share ni wo no sa Bank of Ghana office no omo free mu no eye well structured building integrity intact omo fixing niema wo bi chese bibia ye correct wo ma any company ebetimi aye adwuma wo ma wombre. But Sami Jenfi said, we have 11 million Ghana cedis. No, they are renovation keke. Nanya building in Nampo, no, they renovate you. Just a section, small parts of the building, and as Sami Jenfi, percent, or yet that renovation, but also being here 11 million Ghana cedis. Sefim. You know, and concordance. Now, company Sami Jenfi award the contract, man, Sefim. Corruption conflict of interest company needing at the Koreka Ghana Limited now a subsidiary of Wezo Group Company Mubeka is a customer says our Wezo Group Company no a stand up by or yet currently deputy chief of staff for there now I had a conflict of interest in a bemono Munim say as deputy chief of staff literally or to say deputy HR of the government ono no hwe appointees fuo nyina omo nsem so omo report to him inti Sami Jenfi literally report to some Standogbe ana Standogbe so ne Mahama free mo be kai Mahama ko ba bia as deputy chief of staff or act like even bodyguard no pempem krofo timi boso jani bi kura sum some kai sanse no inti wone Mahama free pa ana osan so ehwe Sami Jenfi ensem so or upper hand was Sami Jenfi so of a sort in terms of a organogram of the government enti or the sa ne 2 million ana akwaje sa contract no sa ni position or when this mu no eno no de akwaje contract na as if say contract we no o man go through competitive bidding no e so sourcing ye hampe case Standogbe ne company Koreka no ye hampe no and ye the contract ne man 11 million Ghana cedis na as if na you see ensem no che say Melkia a bomb is things to the highest heavens. Now, me babe mouth some of the facts. A be blow mind. You see, a da Sami Jenfi letter no, a de award the contract no. Emma with Koreka Ghana Limited. 18th July 2025. And then that's no 18th July. Sa day na Anna Koreka Ghana for no so actual letter. Emma good board for say omo domase omaje eye contract na tum omo be ye adwuma na omo be ye ni ye dey na now I had get interesting before say ubetimi aye say adwuma bi say no uhia aye certificate from aye works and housing ministry. Now can you imagine say at the time ani the contract no Emma aye company no Koreka no na certificate omukwaje bo works and housing ministry I no be enibu to work for the government in terms of say omo year renovation na expire ene da soro ho no wo hwa ase ho no a ubon say ya tro say almost certificate no valid till 17th June 2025 17th June 2025 and almost certificate na expire 17th June 2025 1 month after so almost certificate na expire no and ya award the contract in mom. So in essence they didn't even qualify to be given that contract, let alone say yeah they be mom under so sourcing. But because of say Standogbe deputy chief of staff you know ya term contract in the man ya Ghana ye procurement law so my breach Ghana ye procurement law just say omo person omo create no mo lutu no mo share omo di Ghana sika omo di Ghana for dwere munti. And as from using seven and also my person video never one na developing story nti menya kwan na ma